that. Look at that. That is awesome. Bird, you're fucking suicidal. What a time to come out and do a bit of off-roading. Look at this. Look at, oh, I can't quite see it. That is something else.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Weekend, we let the story begin. We're going out on the first day. But you and me are thrifty, so go you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And leaving in a taxi, in the backseat, tell the driver make a video play. And looking like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my.
Nice. This is one thing about motorcycling. There's so many people that live in this area that will never see this. They will never get to this lane and see a view like that. Because maybe they won't leave their house. Maybe they decide not to go on a walk. And now I've got a helicopter going through the sunset. That's even better. Maybe they don't have a dirt bike to get them down lanes like this and just have fun. Such a beautiful sunset. I am so jealous of the people in that helicopter. That's one goal for me that I've set, is I want to have a flying helicopter. I don't want to actually fly it, but I want to fly in one. Which they do stuff around me, but I like to do it in like Vegas or somewhere. That tree over there looks like a horse. Anyway.
I wanna flex with you, baby. I'm trying to chill with you, don't feel with you. Ain't flexible, baby. Show some different more than I let it grow. Just meant to be, baby. Baby, history, baby. And you're the one for me, I'm the one for you. So come flex with me, baby. Wow.
Curtains like waves closing in around us. Dimming the lights just so that they don't blind us. Slow tongue in cheek when we're laying on roses. Touching my skin and you're leaving me hopeless. I wanna feel you under my body. I wanna feel you on. Top to rest. Come and climb in my bed. Don't be shy, do your best. Top to rest. Come and climb in my bed. Don't be shy, do your best.
Not allowed camera.
Oh, right.
Oh, that was a grumpy face.
In 20 seconds, this advert will be over.
Anyways, the jumper I'm actually wearing right now is from 2009. I thought it said 2005, and it kind of still fits me. Like, the arms are a little bit too short. Not too bad, actually.
So, this little section of the video is all going to be about what bike to get next. Now, recently I've been doing a lot of polls on the new YouTube on your phone. You get this new like community thing, and I can post stuff and things like that. So, if you're not already subscribed, you need to subscribe because you'll miss all this stuff. And if I ever put out like I'm making merch or anything like that, I'll probably post something on there before I even post a YouTube video, and you'll be well ahead of everyone else. So, and I think I'm going to start using it to say maybe what video I got next and stuff like that. And that's another thing. If you're not following my Instagram, anyway, yeah, if you're not following my Instagram, that's a big place at the moment that I'm posting a lot of pictures, a lot of information, and the designs that I've made for some hoodies, flat peaks, t-shirts and that kind of stuff. I've already made some designs, and they're only like beta, they're only like just tester stuff, but I'll be posting that on Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there. Everyone's got Instagram nowadays. Thinking about making a Snapchat maybe, not sure, I'm thinking about that one. Facebook and Twitter, so they're all linked in the description. Just go ahead, click on them, and go follow or like it or whatever you need to do. But yeah, this little section of the video is all going to be about what bike I should get next. Now, as I said, I've been doing some polls recently, trying to find out what people want me to get, because personally, I change my mind every week. Like, last week I was thinking about the BMW S1000RR, and now I think that might be a bit too much of a jump for me. It's an amazing bike, but I think it might be too much for me, and I think I'd lose my license in a month, and I kind of need that for these videos. So I kind of thought maybe I'll die down a little bit, KTM 1290 Super Duke, and then I thought maybe I don't want to spend 10 to 13 grand on a bike, where you can get a second-hand BMW for 10, 8 maybe, and I thought that's still a lot of money, so maybe get a second-hand R6. And getting a second-hand R6, I could also upgrade my dirt bike to like a CRF 450. So it's trying to get the right thing. Now, I've posted if people wanted me to get a Supermoto or a Super Sport. So far the Super Sport's in the lead, I think. Yeah, it is. And then I posted Super Sport or naked bike, and I posted that today. So far it's about 50-50. Nakeds are just winning it. But yeah, I want to know what you think I should get, and specifically what bike. I'm thinking if I go naked, I'll probably get an MT-09 maybe. They're reasonably priced. I love torque. That's the thing about me, is I'd rather do lots of wheelies than a million miles an hour. So I like torque over speed, but then you might be saying why get a Super Sport. I love the look of Super Sports. I'm very much someone that loves the way a bike looks, and it's got to sound awesome. So let me know what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments on Instagram or anything like that. Send me pictures, and remember to send me your pictures on Instagram of you watching my videos or your bike or anything like that, and you will get a feature in one of these videos. So I'll leave you to the rest of the video. I know I jabbered on for a little bit, but yeah, that was this little section of the video. I'm trying to add little sections like this where I do personal stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, that was pretty much it. But I'll see you. Bye.
Oh, my hands are cold. Winter's officially f***ing here. Tell you that much. Sun's gone down now. Watched a movie today. I haven't watched a movie in a while. Oh, favourite movie? I don't know. It changes all the time for me. One of the Star Warses maybe? Nah, don't know. See, I like Star Wars The Phantom Menace, right? Because that's kind of the one that I grew up to remember. That and the Clone Wars as well. Those are the films that those proper Star Wars fans hate. But it's what I grew up watching. It was those two first, because I watched them in order instead of the order they came out in. Alright, this is going to be proper tricky now. I didn't stop. I kept her going. The fucking tree. Using the floor to help me push. Man, I am tired today. But this fucking little trooper of a bike is absolutely smashing it.
What's up, guys? So we are back home. It is pitch black outside, and I got muddy, I was wet. All my stuff is now in this black bag, getting ready to get washed and stuff. Hopefully Saturday I'll do some more off-roading, or I might meet up some of the boys, take the R3 out. Sunday I've got to do airsoft, so I don't have to do, but Sundays normally I take my little cousin out, we go do airsoft, it's great fun. I don't record any of that because I've only done it twice now, so I'm still a massive noob. But it's all good. My mum's left me a note saying that can I turn the tumble dryer on? Yes I can, I'm gonna do that now. Yeah, okay. Oh, before I go, did I do something? I don't know. Before I go, this is the person who got the Instagram shout out today. So head over to them, they'll be linked in the description. Go follow them, go like all their photos and be a creep. And I will see you guys in the next one. I know it's still weird seeing my face, I know it is. Don't worry about it, you'll get used to it soon. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.